Okay, this is how she did her straight reverse from the other angle. I just want to show you how she entered the box. She kept her truck right in the middle. She maintained her speed. She used both her mirrors. And when she was about to enter the box, I saw her slowing down a bit. I was a bit worried, but she continued. The wheels are still rolling. So that's okay. That's okay. She stopped exactly where she's supposed to stop. See, this is what we call a box. She observed. She did everything right. And that's a pass right there. I just wanted to also show her second video when she's doing her straight reverse. Then we will go to the step here. I just want to show you how she did step here so that we can just wrap up this series on this page. Thank you.